Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to add files in Replit so you can organize your code and manage your assets effectively in 2026. Let's get into it. First, access the file tree. The first step is locating the file management area within your specific project environment. Open your Replit dashboard and select your workspace, the project you are currently working on. Once the editor loads, look at the top right corner of the sidebar and click on the file tree icon. In 2026, Replit's interface is designed to maximize your coding space. The file tree icon acts as a toggle. Clicking it ensures that your full list of files is visible and ready for editing, providing a clear map of your project's structure. Next, use the File menu options. Once your file list is visible, you need to use the secondary menu to add new elements to your directory. Look at the top right of the file tree panel and click the three dots icon, the More menu. From the drop-down menu that appears, select New File. This is the most precise way to add content in 2026. By using the three dots menu, you gain advanced options beyond simple file creation, ensuring you are adding the file exactly where you want it within the hierarchy. Lastly, create folders and name your files correctly. To keep a professional workflow, you should name your files correctly and group them into folders as your project grows. Use the same three dots icon and select New Folder to create a directory like Assets or Scripts. When creating a file, type the name followed by the extension like .py or .js and hit Enter. Replit's smart folders help with deployment. By organizing your files through the three dots menu, you ensure your project remains scalable. Naming your file with the correct extension tells the Replit IDE which language tools to activate, so you can start coding with full autocomplete and error checking immediately. And that's pretty much it. To add files in Replit for 2026, select your workspace, click the file tree icon, and use the three dots icon in the top right of that panel. From there, you can easily create a new file or new folder to build out your project structure. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.